Are your family's busy schedules impacting more than just your free time? It could be silently sabotaging your mental well-being. The culprit? Sleep deprivation. Sleep is the bedrock of mental health for both kids and adults. A lack of sleep destabilizes everything, increasing mood swings, stress responses, and anxiety. Studies show a direct connection between chronic sleep loss and mental health issues like anxiety and depression. One 2020 study found that insomnia sufferers were more likely to develop mood disorders. Even kids aren't immune. By age 15, sleep problems can mean a higher risk of depression, ADHD, and conduct issues. Why is that? Think of sleep as the brain's cleaning crew, consolidating memories, processing stress, and strengthening neural connections. Interrupted sleep shortchanges these vital processes, leaving us frazzled. Well-rested kids manage emotions and stress better. One bad night can undo the brain's nightly maintenance. And if you think you're immune as an adult, think again. Parents are significantly affected by sleep deprivation too. A 2019 study found parents are sleep deprived for the first 6 years of a child's life. This leads to increased stress, impaired emotional regulation, and reduced resilience. So what can you do? Improving sleep hygiene is key. Establish consistent bedtimes, have relaxing pre-sleep rituals, limit screen time before bed, and create a sleep-conducive environment. It's not just about the kids. A 2018 study showed kids with regular bedtimes have better executive function, school readiness, and overall well-being. Plus, a well-rested child often translates to a well-rested parent. Don't let sleep deprivation steal your family's joy and mental wellness. Prioritizing sleep is an investment in everyone's well-being. So, are you ready to make sleep a priority? Your family's mental health and happiness depend on it.